That's Crochet. I'm Jolie.
I'm Haylen, her best friend. We're not sisters, even if we look like it.
We're not.
No.
And today we are going to be
doing TikTok tutorial. Doing TikTok tutorial. I can't talk.
Tutorial.
Yeah.
Tutorial.
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 And we're going to be doing
Say So.
If you guys know that TikTok dance, comment down below and send the TikTok dance to us, please.
And like and subscribe, and even if you don't know, just like and subscribe and comment.
And do it anyways, please.
Yeah. So let's stand up. Ready? This is our first position. It's 1, 2, 3. Why don't you say so? 3, 2, 1.
And
Didn't even know it. Your punches.
It's this way.
No. It's your punches. Snap. So punch.
And then
snap.
Roll. And then
Hand. Push. You don't No.
What was that?
Then
and
you
then
put your
cross
feet.
your feet, and then you twirl, and then you get back to straight, and then you're done with say so. So we're gonna say so. And so now we're going to do the dance a little bit like
faster,
putting it together.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then Jolie's gonna sing it for me.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Why don't you say so? Didn't even know it. Your punches got to owe it. You gotta keep it focused. You wanna say so.
Like that.
And don't forget the feet.
Yeah, don't forget the feet.
Now let's do that again, but a little bit slower, Haylen. Why don't you say so? Didn't even know it. Your punches got to owe it. You gotta keep it focused. You wanna say so. And our feet were crossed.
Like this.
Yeah. Now your turn with
Don't
the camera.
forget the snapping though. It's really hard to forget. Even sometimes I forget.
Yeah, she never did it with it. No. The snapping noise was me.
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice your punches start to roll. You gotta keep it focused. You wanna say so. And this. Why don't you show us Renegade?
Yeah!
And so, we're going.
Wait, I'm supposed to be on the side.
And so, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest on the wall? Me and my best friend Jolie. And so,
I don't.
And so, for the next video, as we already said, we're gonna be doing Renegade.
And I'm gonna do it.
And then me.
Oh no! Ignore her.
Okay. And so we're gonna show you a sneak peek of it.
Yeah.
And Jolie's gonna show you the sneak peek. Boop. Renegade. Woo. 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 Ha ha ha. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Boop. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Wait. Renegade. Woo. Ha.
Yeah, that's a sneak peek. See you next time. By the way, this is our first video, so please don't judge. Together.
No hate. Only hate me, not my.
No, don't hate anyone. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.